People are still coming in, so let's keep warming up. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Can you do that? Yeah, yeah. Okay, one more time. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. With the krächzen. Ay, 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 ay. One more time. Ay, 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 ay. One more time together. Ay, 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 ay. Good. Okay. That's fun. People are still coming in, but let's get into our song. You know what? Let's sing a song that we know. Most of you know. If you don't know it, you'll know it in a second. Let's sing Wo ist das Gessele together, because people are still coming in. So let's not start a new song until everyone is in. The tune, you know, goes like this. I die, da, 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 da. I die, da, 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 da. I die, da, 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 da. Repeat. I die, da, 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 da. I die, die. Is there anyone who doesn't know this tune? Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who doesn't know the tune? Really? Okay, let's do it one more time. I hope this key is okay for everyone. We can go a semitone lower, I guess. It's a famous waltz from Russia. It's known as a Russian song. It's also known as a Yiddish song. So let's go. One more time. I die, da, die, die, da, die, die, da, die. I die, da, die, 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 I die, da, die. I die, da, die, 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 I die, die, die. I die, die, I die, die, I die, die, die. One more time. I die, da, die, 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 I die, da, die. I die, 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 die. Right? So today we're combining all these things that we've done, not just during this run, but we're bringing songs from one from the spring, one from the summer, and one from this run. So let me show you this music. It should be pretty easy. So if you don't know the song, la 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 with us. It's a lovely, easy tune. So here is. Oh, people are still coming in. Great. So here is the tune. It's not, as always, it's not always exactly the tune we sing with two variations. So, la la la, one more time, just to warm up. And let's go. I die, da, die, die, da, die, die, da, die. I die, da, die, 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 I die, da, die. I die, da, die, 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 I die, da, die. Here is a variation. I die, die, I die, die, die. I die, da, die, die, die. version with your variations, let's jump into the first Yiddish verse, which is here. So we sing that, yeah? Again, for those who know the song, sing it with text. Those who don't, la la la. Wo ist das Gessele, wo ist die Stieb? Wo ist das Mädele, wo sie blieb? What is das Gessele, what is die Stieb? What is das Mädele, wo sie blieb? What is das Gessele, what is die Stieb? What is das Mädele, wo sie blieb? Second verse. Wo ist das Teichele, wo ist die Mehl? Wo ist das Terfele, wo ist die Schill? What is das Teichele, what is die Mehl? What is das Terfele, what is die Schill? What is das Teichele, what is die Mehl? What is das Terfele, what is die Schill? Dai dai da dai 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 da dai 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 dai. So we won't talk about these songs, we won't talk about the other verses, the meaning and all of that. Go to the session where we learned this song and read about it. I hope that that's a nice kind of memory from our past sessions. I'm going to take you to the new song now. The new song, people are still coming in. Wonderful. Look at that. Hey, wonderful. 40 people. Last moment. Hey, you're all joining the last session. What's that about? So the new song is very easy. Cheers, by the way. That's Aperol Spritz here to celebrate our final Yiddish session. This song is a play of words, and because we've been doing songs that generally have a connection with East European culture and generally Russian culture, this one is a connection with Ukrainian language. Very, very simple text for you today, so we can just have fun with it. And here is how it goes. It makes a connection between a Yiddish word, Yiddish, and the Ukrainian word or a Russian word, idyosh, Yiddish, go, walk, go. So let's look at this. Oi Yiddish, kudy Yiddish. So it's one of these macaronic songs where two languages mix. So we have Ukrainian and Yiddish. So we have oi Yiddish, that can be Yiddish. Kudy Yiddish, where are you going? That'll be Ukrainian. Kudy is where, and Yiddish in Ukrainian is going. So where are you going? Oi Yiddish, where are you going? Yeah? Zachem Yiddish, why going? Very philosophical, and it's not just a song. It can be interpreted as one of these Hasidic things that are not just what you see. Oh, Yiddish. Let's just do the first bar, yeah? Oh, Yiddish. And we can really go for our Krechten here. Oh, Yiddish. Okay? Kudy Yiddish, Zachem Yiddish. Where are you going? What for? Sing that first whole line with me. And oh, Yiddish. Kudy Yiddish, Zachem Yiddish. Yeah, get used to this. We'll do this every verse. One more time, and then we'll carry on. Oh, Yiddish. Kudy Yiddish, Zachem Yiddish. And then it's easy. Yiddish, Yiddish, Yiddish. Yiddish, Yiddish together. Yiddish, Yiddish, Yiddish. Yiddish, Yiddish, Yiddish. Yeah, easy? Yiddish, Yiddish again, second line. Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Oh, Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. So Yiddish and Yiddish going in the same word, Ukrainian and Yiddish. Now, the last two lines, the second two lines, will have slightly different text every time. The first two will be repeated, and then we can just have fun with it. So listen. As men tracht men Yiddish, und as men red men Yiddish. Yeah, you can look at it in the music, or you can look at it here in the text, und as man tracht, yeah? As one thinks, they think Yiddish. As one speaks or talks, they talk Yiddish. And again, it's a play of words. You can interpret it any way you like. Und as man tracht with the music. The third line, that's your note, let's go. And as man tracht man Yiddish. Und as man red man Yiddish. And then you know, Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. That's it, this is our verse, and we can just play with it. Tempos can shift and change, you can stretch your phrases. You'll have to catch me though this time, okay? We will go slightly higher in our key for higher voices in a minute. For now, let's stay with this for our altos and basses. It should be comfortable for them. Let's go. And oi! Oh, Yiddish, kude Yiddish, zachem Yiddish, 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 und as man tracht man Yiddish, und as man red man Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Yeah, tell me if it reminds you of any songs of that type. Yeah, you may recognize the tune from other songs. Things are happening here in our chat. As mered, yes, yes, okay. Are you okay with this verse? How is it? Not much changes, we just have fun with it. Not much changes in the second verse, a bit of Ukrainian for you. Yeah, so you'll learn a bit of Ukrainian grammar in the second verse. It's also Yiddish. Yiddish stays as the root of the word, but let's see what happens here. We sing the first line. Oh, Yiddish, kuda Yiddish, zachem Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Now, yak Yiddish, see that second verse? To po Yiddish. Now, this is Ukrainian. We understand it from the neighboring words. Yak is as or how. Yiddish, go, how you walk, how you go. To, that way. Then, po Yiddish, you will go, you will walk. Yeah, and it's like there is a prefix po Yiddish that you will take on the journey, right? Yak Yiddish, as you go. To da Yiddish, do is another suffix. Attached to that root, the Yiddish, you will get to your point where you're going. So you will start your journey and you will finish your journey. Okay, let's see if we can do this. So look at your third line of music and look at how we can sing that. Yak Yiddish, to po Yiddish, yak Yiddish, to do Yiddish. Yeah, let's do it together. That's the only thing that changes. And yak Yiddish, to po do po Yiddish, yak Yiddish, to do Yiddish. And then we know the rest. Okay, let's sing that whole verse with a change in the third line. Yeah, with our wonderful Ukrainian. Oi, 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 oi. Let's go. Oi. Oh, Yiddish, do Yiddish. Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Okay? I'm admitting people as we sing. Two more are joining us. Wonderful. And all we need to do now is the third verse where we get a bit more Ukrainian, and it's all the same. Yiddish, Yiddish, Yiddish. The first two lines are the same. Now look at this. Як ні Yiddish. Ni is not. So, as you don't go, to ni po Yiddish, so you won't start your journey. Jak ni Yiddish, as you don't go, to ni do Yiddish, you will not get to the where you're going, okay? Okay, let's see how we can put this to music. Jak nie Yiddish, okay? Let's go. Jak nie Yiddish, to nie po Yiddish. Jak nie Yiddish, to nie do Yiddish. Something like this, one more time. Jak nie Yiddish, to nie po Yiddish. Jak nie Yiddish, to nie do Yiddish. Yeah, let's do this verse with all the stretches. I'll show you this. See if we can see the top line of the music. I hope you know it by heart now. Let's go. Oh, Yiddish, kudy Yiddish, zачем Yiddish? Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. On jak nie Yiddish, to nie po Yiddish. Jak nie Yiddish, to nie do Yiddish. Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. That's it. Let's play with this tune. Let's sing it all the way through. Really stretching it, going slightly higher. I think there are quite a few voices here who want to go a bit higher. Alejandra, great to see you here. Start going. Do Yiddish arrive, complete going. That's right, Eve. Thank you very much. There is no L, maybe there is another typo. Do Yiddish, do Yiddish, do Yiddish. Okay, I think it's all correct. I hope so anyway. Let's do the whole thing. I will show you all the three verses here on the screen, and let's stretch it. Let's go a tone higher. Oi, ready? Sit upright. Let's go the ois properly, and where are you going? Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Und als men tracht men Yiddish. Und als men red men Yiddish. Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Second verse. Zачем Yiddish? Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Jak Yiddish, to po Yiddish. Jak Yiddish, to do Yiddish. Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Third verse. Oh, Yiddish, kude Yiddish, zачем Yiddish? Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Jak nie Yiddish, to nie po Yiddish. Jak nie Yiddish, to nie Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. What a zoe. Nice and simple and fun. Reminds me of some songs like some Hasidic stuff, you know, with the speeding up, and like Ribono Shel Olam, things like this, huh? We will do it one more time, a lot higher, for higher voices, and jump around in your keys, and please do lots of corrects. Stretch it, okay? We will go. Oh, Yiddish, ta da ta da ta da da ta da ta da ta da da ta ta. Lower voices go low, higher voices go high. I know that Mario will appreciate going to the soprano range, eh? Okay, the whole thing one more time. Let's go, and then we will sing the other two songs planned for today. Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah, 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 Yiddish. Zачем Yiddish? Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Und als man tracht man Yiddish, und als man redt man Yiddish. Go Yiddish, 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 one more time. Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Oh, Yiddish. Gode Yiddish, zачем Yiddish? Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Jak Yiddish, to do Yiddish. Jak Yiddish, to do Yiddish. Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Oh, Yiddish, good Yiddish, zачем Yiddish? Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Jak nie Yiddish, to nie po Yiddish. Jak nie Yiddish, to nie do Yiddish. Yiddish, 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 Yiddish. Okay, that was a bit of Ukrainian for you. One of these. So, Russian, Ukrainian vowels are not the same. Yeah. I'm not a Ukrainian speaker, I'm a Russian speaker, so I can't guarantee that I pronounce the Ukrainian correctly. But you know, like in some of these songs, like "Не журиться, хлопці, що із нами буде", Ukrainian words turned into a Hasidic song. Or in this macaronic song, like Katerina, Молодиця, поди сюди. Some of us know these songs. The Ukrainian is not always correct. And it's mind-bending for Ukrainian speakers to record these songs, to hear them in Hasidic interpretations. Sometimes it doesn't even make sense. We have to look for original from like interpretation and stuff. Okay, I'll take you to our song from, I think it was in June. We've done that. It was in June. Zunan Ma'ariv, yeah? So, again, some of you may not know it, so we will sing through the tune one time. And I think this key is okay for us all. It would be interesting to know how many of you were there when we sang this song. Difficult to imagine, we've had 89 sessions. La la la. La just quickly scan through the meaning of this song. It's wonderful. It's about in fact, who wants to read it to us in English quickly? I think it's lovely meaning. Hand up. Who wants to read it in English? Deborah, I see you. I see you. Okay, let me show this to you. Unmute yourself and please read us the whole text in English. Can't hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
The sun in the west sets quickly. What else does someone like me need? Poems, little poems. Large cities and new countries, I'm a passerby, a stranger. The poems are close to me. There is not on the earth another joy as the one that is awakened by poems. Who knows what tomorrow will be? Poems are all I have. May the poems live.
Thank you very much. So it can be poems, and in our case it can be songs because it's a song leader. Yeah. So we will sing, maybe let's do the first and the last verses if we can. Yeah, we'll be able to see them here. The first one is under the music, and the last one, what will tomorrow bring us, is here, bottom of your, here. Yeah, you see it, the last 3 lines. Let's go slowly. First time we sing it with no text again to just get used to the tune. And it's kind of how I feel about singing through these times. Really lovely tune. What do you think? Nice song, isn't it? And it's good to go back to some of these, don't you think? You know, I brought you more than something like almost 40 songs over the course of Sing With Me, and every song is good in its own way, but some songs are special, and I think this one is quite special. Although it's less ethnic sounding, it's proper minor, it's more familiar to our ear, but it's also nice and heartwarming. Now, we have one more song to... yes, I will read your chat after the session. I'm sorry, I can't cope with all that. So I need to tell you about our future or no future, we don't know. I mean, in terms of these sessions. So this is our last Yiddish session, and we have a Russian session on Thursday. You're welcome to come to that. And after the Russian session, there'll be an extra 30-40 minutes. Let's see how we feel. You can just come to the... after the session and just join us, join the whole group, and have a little chat. Tell us how you feel. Tell us how the sessions have been for you. Any complaints, any wishes, anything you want to say, just say hello to us because we haven't been able to talk. And that's on Thursday. Now, I don't know what's going to happen to these sessions. Certainly, I'm not teaching in the rest of December, and I'm not teaching in the first week of January because, I'm doing this course for the London University. I might start again in mid-January or towards the end of January, and I'll need to know from you if you have interest in joining this group. So I'll ask you again to email me, put you on that one mailing list so I can send you one email saying it's happening or it's not happening. But please do come on Thursday if you can, okay? So that's something I wanted to tell you today. And let's go to our last song, which is a gypsy tune. It originally is...
Polina?
Yes?
I'm sorry. I would like to point out that we have also today with us Alejandra Charny. You know her.
Oh, yes, Alejandra, where are you?
Alejandra is here.
Yes, Alejandra, it's great. It's a great honor to have you. Alejandra is an activist, a Yiddish singer. She does her own events. She teaches as well. So it's lovely to see you. How are you, Alexandra?
I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy. You are amazing, Polina. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It's a shame I couldn't join your sessions because it's too late for me here in Britain. But thank you for doing it all. I follow you everywhere, and it's lovely to have you with us.
Thank you, Sueli.
Thank you. And Sueli, of course. Yeah, you know each other and all that. Yeah, that's our other part of the world connection. Welcome, welcome. Today's slightly unusual, as you know, Alejandra. We're just running through some of the previous songs, so we're going fast. Let's go fast. Next song. Some of you may not have been with us for this session, but in that case, you're up for a treat. Here is the tune. Sing it with me if you remember how it goes. It comes from a Russian art song, Russian romance, a so-called gypsy romance. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. We'll go down a key. Let's go here. No. Let's go even lower. Let's go this one. Because it goes quite high at the end. La la la. Listen. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. And we stop here one more time to go to the beginning for the newcomers. Okay, let's go. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Carry on. Die, 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 and die, 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 die. Chorus one more time. Die, 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 die. Fun, isn't it? Now, let me see. How many of you have not sung it with us? How many new people? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4, 5. Let's do the tune one more time, just because it's fun, yeah? The tune one more time. Tune one more time. Catch what you can, just, have fun with it, right? All right. La 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 la. story with text. And let's quickly look through this text. It's one of these nostalgic things about the guitar that plays and expresses all your sorrow. You know, again, music and guitar and expressing your feelings through music. I like that. Let that many strings ring, and let me drink wine and champagne and forget where we are. Just basically, it's about throwing away all your worries and just getting on with life. And it has this. Because the song was composed over 100 years ago, we have this idea of the gypsies going into the fields, having this free life, and people from the urban environments, from the cities, joining them in these crazy parties. And there was a whole big culture of the gypsies in Russia, the Roma people in Russia at that time. And they were allowed to play music, and they were booked for events and to play at all sorts of weddings and things. So it's quite relevant. First verse, sing with me. Spiel Gitarr, bis mein Zar wird auf Herren, sollen platzen die Strune so nach so. Ich will mit Wein und Champagne schicker werden, oi, unvergessen, was gewöhnt ist amol. Welche Sorgen fahren morgen, fill den Becher und mit Wein. Heb der Becher, Becher, und dem Wein verginnt dir Pein. One more time, Chorus. Welche Sorgen fahren morgen, fill der Becher und mit Wein. Heb der Becher, in dem Wein verginnt dir Pein. We'll sing it 2 more times as if we know the whole song, okay? We'll keep you with the music. And higher key. Spiel Gitarr, bis mein Zar wird auf Herren, sollen platzen die Strune so nach so. Ich will mit Wein und Champagne schicker werden, oi, ohne vergessen, was gewöhnt ist amor. Welche Sorgen fahren morgen, fill der Becher und mit Wein. Heb den Becher, in dem Wein vergeht der Pein. Welche Sorgen fahren morgen, fill den Becher und mit Wein. Heb den Becher, und dem Wein vergeht der Pein. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Chorus with words. Ai, ai, zieh, welche Sorgen fahren morgen, fill den Becher und mit Wein. Heb den Becher, in dem Wein vergeht der Pein. Welche Sorgen fahren morgen, fill den Becher und mit Wein. Heb den Becher, in dem Wein vergeht der Pein. I want to see your faces, and we'll sing it without text as if we know the song. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. time. Don't go anywhere. 1 minute. I see a question here. I'm going to respond it and we will sing Yeah Bye Bye one more time to finish it. So I don't have everyone's email addresses. If you have sent me an email before we started this run of sessions, you can send me another quick email saying I'd like to join the next one. If you want to be definite about it, if you're not sure if you want to join the next run, if it happens or not, in January you can just follow me on Facebook and all that, my newsletter, my website, whatever. But I need to have at least 27 people in the Russian session and 27 people in the Yiddish sessions every time. So if I get confirmation for 27 people for each sometime in January, by January, that'd be great. Send me an email, to contact me via my website, whatever it works for you. Say I'll be for the Yiddish sessions, I'll be for all of them, or for the Russian sessions, blah, 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 okay? Please send me emails that do not require a response. I will receive them and may not respond. I'm sorry, I'm overloaded, okay? And I will hopefully advertise the next run if we have enough. Good? La la la! Die, 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 everyone for joining me today and for this these Sing With Me sessions. Hope to see you again. Keep well. Merry Christmas.